And this is Carol
Ann Squires.
Squires.
Yes,
Squires.
sir. Yes, sir.
And Carol Ann is the manager out here at the, you shoot this down here, the St. John's Marina, the St. John's
River Grill.
Brand new, how you liking it? How's it going?
It's going amazingly well. We're very, very pleased with the turnout. We're very pleased with our staffing and everything. We're just going uphill from here.
Well, the place really looks good. We were here years ago, and I've been reading about the change up, and boy, I tell you what, the food was delicious. Staff was really good, and we wish you the very best on it.
Thank you so much. We're very, very proud of what we have created out here, and we hope that everybody has a chance to come out and experience our incredible menu that our chef Josh Johnston has worked so hard on, and and the tiki bar as well. One of our main focus points. Definitely come out and enjoy the view.
Here, and we're going to take a look around here. And thank you so much for your time. We'll go ahead and shoot this video and take a look at it. Thank you very much. As you can see, there's an awful lot going on out here, and it sits right on the roof. If you go out here a little bit, you can see the outside area, which gives you the ability to sit out here by the river. There's plenty of seating out here, and this is really, really nice. And food is good, the staff is terrific. And they have an upper deck, which we'll go to in just a second. We're going to go upstairs. They have a deck upstairs here too. They've got some things coming here. They've got RV slots. They've got boat slots. They have boat rentals coming, cabin rentals, camping rentals. So it's really, really an area that's going to develop very, very quickly. And anybody that's familiar with the marina here in DeLand may have come out here, but I strongly suggest you come out and try it again. We're going to go take a look at the Tiki Bar, which is upstairs, and they have the same menu as the restaurant does. What a great way to spend the afternoon. And this is out at St. John's River Grill. And that's right on State Road 44 in DeLand. Come out and give it a try.